Don't take this channel seriously. It's made specially for roasts. We will roast Pienob today because he bullied me. Can you like and subscribe in only 3 seconds? You didn't make me. I made myself. I have a challenge for you. You should do it. You will not regret it. I love J-pop. Let's pick some teams. You use religion for your goddamn channel. But first, can you like and
You
subscribe
are like and subscribe
before
boy.
Japan flag disappears? Yes, I love Japan so much. Team Hell or Team God? Team God. Comment which side you pick. You are so atheist, Pienob. Team Pienob. No, vote me. Or Team JapaneseGuur. Team JapaneseGuur. Which side you pick. Get roasted, Pienob. You are so mean and so racist. Like and subscribe if you hate Pienob and pies and leers. See ya and konnichiwa.